Hello guys, this is Lucy. This one of the old one. She is the oldest one in Armory troop. She's now sleeping and oh she's opening her eye, and also you look, I'm gonna show you the big wall. Maybe Philip and Skippy, they're gonna stay over there. I don't like maybe 5 to 6 7 meter high of the wall. That is the big wall. There's a monkey over there. But because of Lucy, she's a little bit old now, so that's why she is hard to climb the big rock wall over there. So that's why she just stay here and then waiting food right here. We will give the mango to her now. So this place is called Elephant Terrace. You will see a lot of elephant around here. There is a elephant calving around here. I'm gonna show you later. But right now, let's look. This old lady, we call her name is Lucy. Hello Lucy. Sleeping? Oh, she's up now. Maybe she want to walk to find her drop. Her drop. That's it. Over there is Philip. And here is Lucy. She's lying down on the, we call laterite stone. This kind of stone are similar to volcanic stone. Look, this one. But actually here, no volcano, no earthquake, so that's why only laterite stone. This kind of stone, we dig it out from around 75 kilometers to the south, this area, and we bring them here.